Monad is the biggest testnet airdrop right now, meaning you need zero capital to take part in this airdrop. And lots of you have been asking me to make the video on the Monad testnet. Monad has raised $244 million in funding, meaning again that the airdrop is going to cook. One of my community members who took part in the Berachian airdrop made roughly 2 million naira from it. And you can see this message here thanking me for the updates. Some people, however, made much less and others made much more. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how to take part in the testnet and things you need to do, very important, things you need to do to make the most money from this testnet. Monad is building the fastest EVM layer 1 blockchain, similar to Aptos and Sui. As I said, they have raised $244 million from investors, including Paradigm, Dragonfly, OKS, Coinbase, Electric Capital, and so many others. To take part, you need a crypto wallet. The wallet I've seen that makes it really easy is Backpack. So use the link in the description to sign up with Backpack. They also have a futures platform. If you want to know how to trade futures on Backpack, I've made a video about it. The link is in the description of this video. Now, if you already have Backpack, just open it up, and the first thing you do is that you have to enable the Monad network. So just come to this handburger icon at the top left corner, then just click on Monad. You will see it on enable like the Arbitrum and the rest. Just enable it and click on it. It's going to bring you here. Now, if you are opening Backpack for the first time, let me show you how you do that. Now, this is an Android phone, so I'm going to go to the Play Store and just search for Backpack Wallet, and I'll click on install. Or you can just go straight ahead and use the link in the description to sign up, then download the wallet. So you see exchange and wallet, click on wallet. If it gives you an error, just try again. It does that sometimes. So I can close this because it gave me an error and open it again. So click on wallet, referral code, use the referral code in the description, enter it here, then click on agree and click on create a new wallet. Then here you can see Solana and Ethereum. You can choose them, then also click on show all network and select Monad testnet, then click on setup wallet. It will then go ahead and set up your wallet. To select the wallet you're going to use, because this is Solana, click on this hamburger icon and click on Monad testnet. So this brings you exactly to where we were before. So the first thing you do when you get here is to get the testnet token. So I'm going to click on the browser icon here and trending ecosystem. You can see the Monad logo and testnet home. Now, if it's not showing, just type testnet.monad.syz. I will also leave this in the description of the video. So just basically showing you how to do this. We have done the Backpack thing. These are other wallets you can use. If we scroll down, click on check this and click on continue. Click on accept all. Now I'm going to go back because I want to get something. I want to click on this other icon beside the browser icon, and I'm going to come here and click on receive because I want to get my wallet address. I'm going to copy address and go back and click on this browser icon again. I'll scroll down because I want to get the testnet token. I'll come here and paste my wallet address, click on verify that I'm a human, and click on get testnet mon. Now, I can only make a request every 12 hours. So this is successful. If I go back to this other icon, you will see that I have 0.05 mon. Now, to perform a lot of activities, you need more than this. Okay, so which means that it's good you every 12 hours come and request for more tokens. So I actually have more Monad from other wallets, so I just sent it to myself. This is 10.05 Monad now. And if you want more Monad, you can just go to gas.zip. You can buy it there if you want to buy it. But if you don't want to buy it, every 12 hours, just request more Monad. And if you've been using other older wallets before, just go and check. Monad dropped over 8 million tokens to different wallets even before they started testing. So you can even find Monad tokens in your other wallet. I can just send it to yourself. Now we've gotten the Monad testnet token. Let's go back to that browser and see. So scroll down, you'll see trending live, you will see spotlight, you will see make your first trade. We'll come back to this ones above, but let's start with the make your first trade. I'm going to click on connect wallets, and I have Backpack installed. So I'm going to click on Backpack, that is wallet I'm using, and click on approve. Then what I'll do is to purchase this NFT house of Mola Dapp. It's selling for 0.082 Monk. So I can just type it. If I click on buy Dapp, okay. If it fails, you can actually try again. Let me try again. So this is successful. I can buy as many as I want. Let's say I want to buy more. Let me go ahead and just buy more of these other ones. So I have made these trades. If I go back to this other icon, you will see that my mon has reduced because I spent some of it. If I come back to here and I click on activities, I can see all the transactions that I've made. Now let's go back to the browser and perform more activities. So if you under featured app, these are different apps that are on Monad. Try to interact with as many as you can. But before then, let's come to this spotlight and interact with the apps in the spotlight. One of them is Play. I'll go ahead and click on, go to Play Network. This takes me to Telegram. I can play any of these by clicking on open. So it says here, enter your wallet address. I'm going to go back to my Backpack and of course click on receive and copy my wallet address and come back to this particular game and enter it here. This actually makes sure that I get my points. Then I can go ahead and just play this game. So I have interacted with Play Network. The next thing is for me to interact with Fantasy Top. Then after that, I go down here and interact with as many of these apps as I can. The App Hub, you have Accountable, you have AI Crafts, Azer, and so many of them. So just try to interact with as many as you can interact. To maximize your reward and make the most out of Monad, these are the things you need to be doing. One is be active in the Monad Discord channel to get roles when they are given a role. I have seen some people who were so active in different Discord that they finally end up getting a job with the company and even made much money. Two is join campaigns hosted by Monad partners like Layer 3. You will also get this information from their Discord channel. 3 is mint special NFTs when they are out for minting. Test as many dApps as possible. This is what gave that guy the edge to even make more money. Test as many dApps as possible. Make sure you enter your wallet address, and it's one wallet address, and simply make as many testnet transactions as you can. Now we discuss all these things in our group, so do well to join us in our group. We discuss trading, we discuss airdrops, we discuss meme form, we discuss different ways you can make money from crypto. So the link is in the description. Use that and I will see you there.